So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the video border here on VN video editor. So if I were to press my video right here, the background is pink, where if you wanted to go ahead and maybe make this the border, you can do that as well, but it's pretty straightforward. So if I were to play the video right here, it looks as follows. If you wanted to add a video border to it, slide this bottom bar all the way to the right to where it says border, select it. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and actually select a border for your video. So if I wanted the border to be white, you can go ahead and do that. You can also make the border thicker or border thinner. So if I wanted to do this right here, and then I wanted to zoom in a little bit more so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see if I were to play the video, it now has the pink background with the white border and my video playing inside of it. So it's very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the video border here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.